Alright. Kana mkana gokana mkana eneme mkana tai mkana deyira. Good morning to you all. Happy New Year once more. Welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you people how to count numbers in Ogoni language. It is essential, it is very, very important as an Ogoni person, as an Ogoni children, to know how to count numbers in your language. Even if you are not from Ogoni, it is necessary that you should as well know how to count 1, 2, 3 or ABCD in your own language. So in today's video, I'm going to use this opportunity to teach my Ogoni brothers how to count 1, 2, 3, how to count numbers in the Ogoni language. So let's go over to the board as we continue. Thank you very much. Share this video to your children which are not from this thing. So let's continue. One is cousin. 2 ba ta nia o ini in eleba eleta elenia lop loblezin lobleba lobleta loblenia lop le o lop le ini in lop le eleba lop le eleta lop le elenia tublezin tubleba tubleta tublenia tuble o tuble ini in tuble eleba tuble eleta tuble elenia tuble eleta tuble elenia tuble lop, that is 30. Tuble lop is 30. Tup le loblezin tup le lobleba tup le lobleta tup le loblenia tup le loble o tup le loble ini tup le loble eleba tup le loble eleta tup le lop le elenia batup, which is 40. Batup lezin batup leba batup leta batup lenia batup le o batup le ini batup le eleba batup le eleta batup le elenia batup le lop, that is 50. So let's stop here today. Then let's start from the beginning. Zin. 1 is zin. 2 ba. 3 ta. 4 nia. 5 o. 6 ini in. 7 eleba. 8 eleta. 9 elenia. 10 lop. 11 loblezin. 12 lobleba. 13 lobleta. 14 loblenia. 15 loble o. 16 loble ini. 17 loble eleba. 18 loble elenia. 18 loble eleta. 19 loble elenia. 20 tup. 20 is tup. 21 loblezin. 22 tuplezin. 22 tubleba. 23 tubleta. 24 tublenia. 25 tup le oo, 26 tup le ini, 27 tup le ereba, 28 tup le ereta, 29 tup le nia, 29 tup le elenia, 30 tup le lop. 30 is tup le lop. 31 tup le lop lezin. 32 tup le lop le bay. 33 tup le lop le ta. 34 tup le lop le nia. 35 tup le lop le oo. 36 tup le lop le ini. 37 tup le lop le ereba. 38 tup le lop le ereta. 39 tup le lop le erenia. 40 by tup. 40 is by tup. 41 by tup lezin. 41 by tup lezin. 41 by tup lezin. 42 by tup le bay. 43 by tup le ta. 44 by tup le nia. 45 by tup le oo. 46 by tup le lop le ini. By tup le ini. 46 by tup le ini. 47 by tup le ereba. 48 by tup le ereta. 49 by tup le erenia. 50 is by tup le lop. So bring your children close by. Bring those that don't know how to read 1, 2, 3 in Ogoni close by. Watch the ball carefully and repeat after me. 1 zin, 2 by, 3 ta, 4 nia, 5 oo, 6 ini, 7 eleba, 8 ereta, 9 erenia, 10 lop, 11 lop lezin, 12 lop le bay, 13 lop le ta, 14 lop le nia, 15 lop le oo, 16 lop le ini, 17 lop le eleba, 18 lop le eleta, 19 lop le erenia, 20 tup. 20 is tup. 21 tup lezin. 22 tup le bay. 23 tup le ta. 24 tup le nia. 25 tup le oo. 26 tup le ini. 27 tup le ereba. 28 tup le ereta. 29 tup le erenia. 30 is tup le lop. 30 is tup le lop. Underline it. 30 is tup le lop. 30 is tup le lop. 31 tup le lop lezin. Get it right. 30 is tup le lop lezin. 32 tup le lop le bay. 33 tup le lop le ta. 34 tup le lop le nia. 35 tup le lop le oo. 36 tup le lop le ini. 37 tup le lop le ereba. 38 tup le lop le ereta. 39 tup le lop le erenia. 40 is by tup. 40 is what? By tup. 40 is by tup. Then 41 by tup lezin. 42 by tup le bay. 43 by tup le ta. 44 by tup le nia. 45 by tup le oo. 46 by tup le ini. 47 by tup le ereba. 48 Baatup le Ereta, 49 Baatup le Erenia, 50 is Baatup le Loop. 50 is Baatup le Loop. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you for watching. I believe this will help us in a very long way, because it is very necessary for us to know how to count 1, 2, 3 in our own dialect, in our own language. It is necessary for all tribes to know how to count alphabet and numbers in their own language. Once more, my name is Peter Nweganale, your host today. If this is our first time on the channel, please do well to like, share, and subscribe to this video. Thank you very much. Happy New Year once more.